How to fix domain error in Shopify. Domain needs attention. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a very common Shopify issue: domain needs attention, and more importantly, how to fix it. So if you're seeing that red warning under your domain tab, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through why it happens, what it means, and how can you fix it step by step. Whether you're using a Shopify-Bought domain or a third-party domain like GoDaddy or Namecheap, we'll talk about in this video. All of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, let's talk about on what domain needs attention means. First, basically, Shopify is telling you that your domain is not properly connected through your store. It can happen if your DNS settings are incorrect, or if the domain's SSL certificate didn't activate properly. Sometimes it simply happens because your domain was recently changed and needs time to update. In short, Shopify can't properly direct your visitors through your website yet. But don't worry, it's easily fixable. Now, let's also talk about some common issues of domain errors. The most common reasons for this domain error are incorrect A record. Your A record should point to Shopify's IP address, which is going to be 23.227.38.65. Now, another reason that it can be is missing CNAME record. Your CNAME record for www should point to shop.myshopify.com. Another reason is SSL pending. SSL certificates may take time to provision after changes. You then have third-party domain provider settings not updated correctly. And lastly, domain not verified on Shopify after connecting. Identifying which issues that you have will help you fix the problem faster. And so, let's talk about the step-by-step way on how can you go ahead and fix this problem. Simply, first things first, you want to log in through your Shopify store right here. And simply once inside, you'll be able to see the message on your Shopify store. So just click on the manage for the domain that says needs attention. In my case, since I don't have that problem, I could not navigate through that screen right there. But for the second step, you just have to check the connection instruction. Shopify often provides a connection existing domain guide. So if you click on the fix button, it will then lead you to that page. From there, you then want to make sure that you update your DNS record. If you own the domain through Shopify, usually Shopify automatically manages the settings. So you can just try clicking reconnect automatically on your Shopify store. Now, if you own the domain through a third-party provider, like once again GoDaddy or Namecheap, you can just head over to their specific dashboard. So if you're using your Windows computer, you can just go ahead and search for something like GoDaddy. And from here, you will be able to see the settings for your specific domain, so you can just go ahead and simply edit them out. You want to update the A record to 23.227.38.65, and you want to set the CNAME record for www to shop.myshopify.com. Now, as a tip, DNS updates can take for up to 48 hours, but usually it's much faster. For this fourth step, you want to check the SSL activation. After the DNS settings are correct, Shopify should automatically generate an SSL certificate. This makes your site secure. So HTTPS instead of HTTP. Now, if the SSL is still pending after 48 hours, you want to contact the Shopify support. From there, you can just verify and save the changes. After making changes, you want to head back to the Shopify right here. And simply inside, you just want to navigate through the domains and click on the verify connection. Once again, since I don't have any domain connected, that screen or that option won't show up right here. Now, let's also talk about some advanced troubleshooting. If you're still stuck, here's some extra tip. Number one, you want to clear your cache. Sometimes the error is cached, so you want to clear your browser cache and refresh Shopify. Now on most browsers, you can just head over to the history settings by navigating through the Control H, and it will then take you to this page right here. To clear your cache, just click on the delete browsing data. From here, you want to make sure that the cache or the cookies and other sites is enabled. Click on all time, and then you want to click on the delete data. This will delete some cache and data on your browser right here, and it will sign you on most websites, so you have to keep that in mind. Now another fix is that you want to use online DNS tools. Websites like dnschecker.org can help you verify if your A and CNAME record have propagated globally. You then want to contact your domain provider support. So if your DNS settings seem stuck, your domain provider might need to refresh them manually. And so, once again, you just want to make sure that you update your DNS records, and you want to go ahead and navigate through your domain provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Right after, you then want to disable domain forwarding. Some registers like GoDaddy add automatic redirects, so you need pure DNS forwarding, not URL forwarding. Lastly, you want to contact Shopify support, so they can manually check your domain setup if all else fails. Now, how can you go ahead and prevent this on future? You always want to update your DNS settings properly before changing your domains. You want to avoid moving your domains between providers without understanding your DNS. You want to set up auto renewal for your domains so you don't go ahead and lose them. Because if you do, someone might go ahead and take your domain right here. So you want to make sure that the auto renewal is turned on. You want to monitor the domain settings in Shopify occasionally to catch issues early. And so that's it. Now you know exactly how to fix domain needs attention error on Shopify and keep your store running smoothly. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and comment below if you're still facing issues. I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and happy selling on your Shopify store. Thank you.